In a big development from West Bengal, former government bus driver Minar Mondal, a relative of stone trader Tulu Mondal, was arrested after a mountain of cash was seized from his home in Birbhum. The controversy deepened as Tulu Mondal is allegedly a close associate of TMC's Birbhum district president Anubrata Mondal. The quantum of recovery cannot be understated. Police seized a staggering 28.5 crore rupees in cash and gold bars worth 15 kilograms from Minar Mondal's house during a raid. But what led to this raid in the first place? A group of suspected robbers who were arrested earlier revealed during investigation that a vast amount of cash and gold was stockpiled at Minar Mondal's house.
Police recovered so far 28.5 crore approximate cash and 15 kg of different size of gold bar of different denomination. All legal formalities under BNS and BNSS are being done, and the legal process in the form of registration of FIR being done.
The spot showed huge police presence. They were seen carrying huge boxes of the seized cash and gold from the accused's house. The dramatic rise of Tulu Mondal in Birbhum has also come into focus in the wake of this huge cash haul. As per sources, he used to work as a daily wage labourer in stone quarries over 2 decades ago. Later, he got involved in the transport sector and became a contractor in Birbhum. Soon, allegations surfaced that he established control over the entire supply chain from quarries to crushers and from crushers to the market. In December 2024, his daughter's extravagant wedding became the talk of the town, with Bollywood as well as Tollywood celebrities attending the event. This is not the first time his name has been embroiled in a controversy. In 2022, Tulu Mondal was arrested in connection with a murder case. He was also been questioned by central investigative agencies in connection with the cattle smuggling case. Subsequently, he was investigated in other cases pertaining to stone trade. Meanwhile, in neighbouring Jharkhand, the Enforcement Directorate carried out one of its biggest crackdowns on the illegal coal mining network. During searches at 31 locations linked to coal traders and contractors in Jharkhand's Dhanbad, the agency froze investment in mutual funds worth 160 crore rupees and seized unaccounted cash amounting to over 1 crore rupees. It is worth noting that ED raided many locations in connection with this case in November last year, as well as during these raids, ED reportedly seized 2.2 crores in cash, 122 land-related documents and jewellery. Now for more on this, our correspondent Piyali Mitra has sent us this report from Birbhum, India.
Massive cash and gold recovery once again made West Bengal in headline. Yesterday, Birbhum District Police had conducted a raid at Minar Mondal house in Muhammad Bazar. This Minar Mondal is relative of alleged stone mafia Tulu Mondal. Right now, I'm standing at a den of Tulu Mondal. You can see a lot of dumper lorries are standing here, and we can see the stone also stand, and that is his office where police is conducting the raid. Yesterday, police had recovered gold worth rupees 22 crores and cash 28.50 lakhs. A set of over 50 crores has been recovered. Now, police is probing the alleged network of stone mining, also the financial transaction and the source of this recovered asset. With camera person Nabeen, this is Piyali Mitra reporting for WION.